Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to join a server on Mastodon. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Mastodon application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Mastodon if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the home screen, we have the profiles which you follow and their posts. We have, of course, the search bar. Here you can go and put in your post, notifications, and we have your profile in the bottom right corner. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and join a server on Mastodon. So you need to visit the joinmastodon.org website to find a list of available servers and browse through the list of servers and choose one that aligns with your interests and preferences. Then just click the Create Account button on the server's page, enter your username, email, address, and password, check in your email verification message and click on the link to confirm your account. Set up your profile by adding a bio, avatar, and header image. Once you join the server, you can start following other users, exploring content, and everything. We have a separate video on our YouTube channel on how you can actually go and create your account, where you can also go and choose a different kind of server. In that video, we of course took the basic server, but you can of course go and by going through all of these things that I told you in this video, go and join another server and create your account. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.